Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how I designed this professional thumbnail by using Canva from starting to final result. So make sure watch video till the end. So let's start. First, choose this background image and stretch it in full canvas. Go to Adjustment and decrease brightness. Set sharpness 55. Clarity 89, vignette 100. Add this analytics. Change analytics color to blue. Add this wooden stand and place it perfectly to your design. Select a spiral notebook and place it on wooden stand. Add YouTube logo on notebook so audience can understand that video is about YouTube script by seeing our YouTube video thumbnail. Add text on notebook. Add pen. Now add money images, blur whole image. Copy and place like this. Now we want to add this text, so press T on keyboard, text box will appear, and type text in text box. Place it at top of the thumbnail. Go to Effects and add Neon Effect. Change text color to blue. Now add some other elements. Now last step, add glow effect and shadow. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe our channel for more this type of amazing design tutorial. Thank you for watching.